How much the dragon fruits?
Dragon fruit, one piece 3 dirham.
Huh?
3 dirham.
3 dirham and 1 pieces? Hmm.
Make him famous.
Huh?
Famous, make him famous. No.
You're so,
Kurmasu pop
where are you from, Kuya?
from Bangladesh.
Ah, you're from Bangladesh. You're so nice. And that grapes, how much?
Yes,
Yeah,
8 dirham kilo.
8 dirham
All 8
kilo.
dirham kilo.
Oh, it's really. And that one, and this, you see. Guys, when you, kung mag ano kayo dito sa Alcos, malapit sa, ano ba yun? Sa market na yun. Mabilis lang siya kung manggagaling kayo ng sa Tuabas 15. Makakarating kayo dito.